Hello everyone, today we are making Brussels sprouts tossed salad. First, blanch 2 cups of Brussels sprouts in hot water for about 3 minutes. This will soften the Brussels sprouts and makes it easier to chew and digest. Rinse these blanched Brussels sprouts under cold water to stop them from cooking and becoming too soft. Pat them dry with a paper towel before slicing them. More water will come out while you're slicing these Brussels sprouts. So use paper towels to dry these sliced Brussels sprouts before making them into a salad. No one wants to eat soggy salads. Thinly slice a half cup of carrots. I use baby carrots here because that's what I have. You can use regular carrots too. Add 1 cup diced apples for sweetness and crunchiness. You can use other fruits like fresh pears too. Drizzle with your favorite vinaigrette salad dressing. Top with hard-boiled eggs to make this salad a complete meal. To make this salad vegan style, replace the eggs with any type of beans, lentils, or edamame for protein. Here you have it, Brussels sprouts tossed salad, a complete meal.